So I have been testing everything under the sun, and some of these products genuinely shocked me. In fact, one of them changed my whole morning routine. So every few months, I pull together the products I am genuinely reaching for day after day. Those that have made it through the noise, the disappointments, and the endless new launches. Today's group is a cracking mix of skincare, body care, makeup, and even a brand new LED device. It's a proper mixed bag today, guys. And stay with me because there's a new LED device that is brilliant and completely solves a problem I've had for years. So if you're new here, I'm 54 with dry, dehydrated skin, and I don't tolerate a lot of nonsense. Okay, first up is by Allies of Skin. It's the beta-glucan resveratrol advanced hydrating serum. Have y'all ever noticed that all of their titles are advanced? Well, I suppose they kind of are, frankly. So this has been living in my morning routine since the first day I got it. It is chock full of antioxidants. In fact, it has 11. And for that exact reason, vitamin C is not in my morning routine anymore. It has taken over its spot. But guys, this is all about texture. It is soft, it is bouncy, it is yummy. That is because it's also a mega hydrator. So for me, I sort of see this as two serums in one. So I am getting double bang for my buck. And it is such a joy to use. In fact, I'm a little scared because every time I use it, I fear it's going to be the last pump. I do not have a backup of this product, which I need to get onto. Toot sweet. So next up are by Hanyul. It's their pure Artemisia, I don't really know, hydrating, calming toner pads. Now, I was influenced by my pal Cecilia over at My Fading Skin. I just had to have them. First off, they are huge. They are massive, massive pads, which I really like. But why they're so great is that they are super soothing. If your skin is sad or mad or just not playing ball, this is going to help her out. There are nothing but calming ingredients like panthenol and allantoin and beta-glucan. Beta-glucan, by the way, is also a wound healer. Plus, it contains hydrators like glycerin and sodium hyaluronate. These really helped me this morning, in fact, because my skin was feeling a little sensitive. And if you're a bath person, put one of these on each of your cheeks and just sit back and relax. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Next up is the newbie by OneSkin. It is their OS1 Peptide Lip Mask. This has become my daytime essential. So their OS1 peptide stimulates collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid production. And who doesn't need a little bit of that? Okay, so this is little Jackson. So whenever we're up here filming, he doesn't like being on his own for very long. And you can hear him coming up the stairs because he wears he wears a bell. Otherwise you'd step on him. Do you know we're talking about lip balm right now? Okay. He's like, no, I'm good. So they say this is an overnight mask, but I use it throughout the day. Keeping my lips hydrated during the day is no small task. And with this, I find that I have to reapply it less than I do any other product. So this goes with me everywhere. And it's just brilliant for keeping my lips comfortable for longer without feeling sticky. And I love the form factor. It's this nifty little case. Now it does come with an applicator, but I don't use it. My ring finger does the job nicely. In fact, I'm wearing it right now over my new favorite lip liner, which is coming up too. Next up was such a great surprise. It's RMS Beauty's Super Serum Hydrating Mist. Now, I'm already an RMS makeup lover, but I had no idea the skincare would be so good. I mean, I should have known. Most makeup artists know the most important thing is starting with a good canvas. That means good skin. Makeup artist founder Rosemary Swift said this was the product she always wanted. Something that would reinvigorate makeup, kind of refresh it without having to take it off and starting again, which is kind of music to my ears too. I'm not someone who's ever going to do that. So this is packed full of antioxidants, soothing ingredients, niacinamide, lactic acid, and it has mineralized seawater. And I think this is the finest mist I've ever seen in my whole life. It's like a kiss. So I just put this over makeup throughout the day. Although you can very easily use this as just your serum step. I mean, you'd be one and done. I am literally dying over this product. And I just saw on their website last night that they have a little 10 ml travel bottle. I need that so badly. In fact, I need another 2 of these bottles just for backup. I really hope Santa's listening. Luckily, he gets to edit this and he can add it to the Christmas list.
I better listen later.
Because you're not listening now, are you?
Nope.
Next is by Skinceuticals. It's their AGE Advanced Eye Cream product. Don't really know. Doesn't say on the packaging. But this is part of their AGE range. And advanced glycation end products, shortened to AGEs, are harmful molecules that form when sugars bind to proteins or lipids in the skin. They stiffen collagen and make skin less responsive, which accelerates visible aging. So they say it's an advanced next generation eye cream for wrinkles, crow's feet, and puffiness caused by AGEs. They also say it's particularly good for dark circles. I don't have dark circles, so I can't say whether that's true or not. What I can say is that it's utterly divine. It's elegant. It's lush. So I've been using this as my evening eye cream, and honestly, I hope it never ends. It's that good. So next up, I have two products here from True Botanicals, and they are both so good. In fairness, I love just about everything that these guys do. I mean, I have been using them far longer than I've had this channel. Now, first up is the body product. It is the Pure Radiance Sugar Exfoliating Body Scrub. You know, and historically, I have not been a fan of scrubs because they make a mess. They make a mess in the shower, particularly if they're super oily and you have to do extra cleaning, and I'm really not into that. But let me tell you, this guy is in a class of its own. And by the way, my shower is fine. No extra time required. It hydrates, it nourishes, and it gets all the dead stuff off all in one go. It's so luxurious. It just feels fancy. And the smell, oh my gosh, it is amazing. But ultimately, it's about how my skin feels. So after I have used this, my skin has never been so soft. And it's actually a huge container, so it lasts a really long time. Therefore, in my opinion, it is a mighty good value. Now, I just emptied this yesterday, and I think I'm gonna cry. By the way, they have a good Black Friday sale that is on now if you want to check it out. The other winner is this little guy. It is the Pure Radiance Overnight Lip Treatment. And let me tell you, this has replaced every other overnight product that I have. And yes, I do have a few. At this time of the year, it is not unusual for me to get dry, flaky lips. It's really kind of gross. But this has completely eradicated it. So it's loaded with fatty acids and small molecule seed oils that easily absorb into the lips to hydrate and replenish any nutrient gaps. So this lives beside my bed, and it's the last thing I do every night. It is deeply softening without that heavy, waxy feel. It's my go-to. So next is an exfoliator. Now I am really into exfoliating these days because I find that my mature skin just works better when I'm consistent. As we age, our skin cell turnover slows down, just like all the good things in our bodies, and the buildup of dead skin cells increases. So of course that leads to dullness, rough texture, more obvious lines, and it makes other products work less efficiently. So I have been using the Your Favorite X exfoliating pads from Wise. And you know what? I have loved every single product from this brand, and this product is no exception. So each pad is pre-soaked with glycolic and PHAs plus ectoin, which calms inflammation, improves hydration, and really supports the skin barrier. But I really like the form factor. It actually makes it easier to use. So each pad has this handy little pocket for your fingers. So it keeps it stable as you move it around your face. And it's funny, I first saw that and I went, that's kind of silly. Until you realize how practical it is. And I didn't realize until I went back to my other pads that it turns out, oh yeah, okay, I kind of like that. I wish more of the pads came with that. So I use this product about every third night, and my skin is super smooth in the morning. And I also just found out you can get little refillable pouches, so you can just put them right back into this container, which is quite sturdy and airtight. It's another winner from Wise. Okay, there's one makeup product here, and it goes with me everywhere. It's the Dior Rouge Contour Lip Pencil. Mine is in the color 300, which is called Nude Style. This, my friends, is the color of Mary. It is the perfect lipstick color. Yeah, I know it's not lipstick. So I had to search high and low for this guy, and I finally found him in a London airport. It is a super smooth, super creamy formula. It comes in 12 different colors. Now, one side of my lip is actually thicker than the other. It's scarring from a car accident in high school. So sometimes I try to bring up the line on the other side to match. Sometimes I don't. These are designed specifically for long wear. They say they last 8 hours. Well, nothing lasts 8 hours in my life, but it has damn good staying power. So I wear this all over the lips and just with a light gloss or even a clear lip balm, and I'm good to go. So in fact, I'm wearing it right now with the OneSkin mask on top. They were designed to be worn with their Rouge Dior lipstick, so now I'm thinking maybe I should get the matching lipstick too. And the last item for today is something I have wanted exactly for years. It's from Maysama and it's for my hands. It's the LED Light Therapy Hand Glove. So Maysama founder Bev May Sanderson visited me here in Dublin a few weeks ago, and we did a video about this new mask. So I'll make sure to put a link to that in the description bar below. So this has 144 LEDs and offers 3 modes. It has red and near infrared combined, which is what I use. It offers red light only and near infrared only. So you can choose whatever treatment you want. But there are 2 main reasons why I love this product so much. First is that I can do other things while I'm wearing it. Y'all, I am not great at sitting around. So this means I can type, I can do the laundry, I can scroll on my phone, I can even film videos while I'm wearing it. Other masks require you to keep your hand still for 10-minute cycles, and then you have to swap it over to the other hand for another 10 minutes. And that's exactly why I've never gotten one before, even though I'm a huge believer in the power of LED light therapy. The other reason I love this device is the pulse light technology. This is what's in all of Maysama's LED products. Pulse light versus continuous light improves skincare absorption. So when light is delivered in pulses, it creates a subtle breathing effect in the cells. They expand and contract in a rhythm, and that draws all of the nutrients and all the active ingredients that surround it into the skin cell. So that makes antioxidants, peptides, and other actives penetrate more deeply into the skin. It also increases cell renewal, it reduces inflammation, and enhances collagen production. I mean, this is just a win-win-win-win. Oh, and it's cordless. So I use this every other day for 10 minutes on each hand. When this is up, I'll switch it over to this hand. But look, my hands are free. So I have taken before photos and I cannot wait to share the long-term results. So that, my friends, is a roundup of my current favorite beauty products. These are the things I'm reaching for on a regular basis and the ones that have earned their place in my routine. So please, guys, tell me what you're loving at the moment. Your recommendations always send me down the best rabbit holes and usually end up in the next favorites video. So guys, thank you so much for watching today, and look out for next week's video, which is all about the Black Friday sales. So we'll see you next time. Bye. And the buildup of dead skin, and the buildup of dead, apparently I don't like to say the word dead, and the buildup of dead skin cells, and the buildup of dense, okay. And the buildup of dead skin, I cannot say dead skin cells, dead skin cells.
That's your kind, Mary. You can do it.
Okay, I can do it.